Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to hire a caregiver on care.com. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Here, first what you need to do is simply open up your care.com app or open it up in the browser by simply typing in care.com on the search bar. Now once it loads, what you need to do is sign in to your account or sign up for an account if you don't have it. Then once that's done, what you need to do is simply select one of the options, and then you'll find two options, that is find care and find job. Now what you need to do is, if you are hiring a caregiver, simply tap on find care. Now once that's done, click post a job at the top of the page, then fill out details like type of care needed, location, hours and schedule, experience and qualifications required, pay rate, and then caregivers will apply to your job post and you can review their profiles. Then third is search for caregivers directly. Simply click on find givers in the menu, then use filters to narrow down your search like location, experience and skills, availability, pay range. Then browse profiles, read reviews and select candidates to contact. These are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below if there are any questions, and then see you soon in the next video.